Velo United States dollar exchanges close $0.004 beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking. Velo Super has a medium-term opposition at $0.005, which certainly is genuinely critical, in spite of prevalent thinking. Velo's EMA10 especially shows a by and large descending pattern, or so they fundamentally really thought. Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. 08 July 2023. In this video we will sort of walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for decently, especially 1 week from now, and explicitly attempt to answer these regularly really clarified some things, facts. What in a real sense is extremely transient cost expectation for Velo, sort of is Velo a sort of wise venture, which in a real sense is very critical, or so they thought. Velo support and obstruction levels and so forth, which really is very critical in opposition to prevalent thinking. In any case, prior to jumping essentially profound into the Velo specialized examination, by and large, let us truly discuss the kind of current economic situations, which fundamentally is very huge. Market examination over the truly last 24 hours, there generally was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the for the most part whole digital money market to $1,177,112,561,953 in a kind of essentially significant manner. The complete exchanging volume fundamentally remains at $20,577,638,440, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking. Bitcoin shares 49.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum essentially has a strength of 16.33%, especially further appearance. How Velo United States dollar exchanges close $0.004, or so they generally thought, which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,231.42 level, after a decay of 0.54%, or so they for the most part thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum essentially has seen a value decline of 0.65%, coming to $1,860.73 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner in a significant way. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $236.78 following a value change of 0.44% inside a similar time span, which generally shows that 08 July 2023. In this video, we will for the most part walk you through Velo cost examination for now, or for certainly 1 week from now, and in every practical sense, attempt to answer these regularly in a real sense sought clarification on pressing issues, facts, what truly is in every practical sense, momentary cost expectation for Velo, explicitly by and large is Velo a truly wise interest in a fundamentally huge manner. XRP, the local coin of XRP, generally is up by 0.66, and at present exchanging at 47 cents, in an unpretentious manner in a significant way. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, or so they basically thought. These occasions sort of demonstrate that the market truly is going in an especially descending heading for truly present moment, showing how Velo United States dollar exchanges close $0.004, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Right now, a general truly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a fundamentally enormous manner, or so they thought. Velo backing and obstruction backing in opposition generally are significant specialized markers used to especially distinguish especially key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path in an especially huge way. Support really is a level at which purchasers for the most part become in every practical sense more kind of dynamic and explicitly basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Similarly, opposition certainly is a level at which dealers truly become move genuinely dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which actually certainly shows that Velo's EMA10, in a real sense, shows a kind of descending pattern in a by and large enormous manner. Following generally are the help and opposition levels of Velo execution, as per value examination market file, Velo, especially as exchanging at $0.004 with an exchanging volume of $1,543,743 in a very significant manner. However, Velo explicitly has a value decline of 5.82% in the for the most part last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 11.71% throughout the week, with a really complete market capitalization of $5,186,353 United States dollars, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking, in spite of mainstream thinking. Velo value examination. Velo cost examination for 08 July 2023. Inside a buy and large in every practical sense, day-to-day time period, generally truly made sense of beneath in an especially exceptionally enormous manner. We utilize kind of relative strength index RSI, moving reasonably fundamentally normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including truly basic moving especially normal, SMA, and outstanding moving commonly normal, EMA, to really dissect the future development of the Velo, showing that Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days amazingly. The kind of relative strength file, RSI, demonstrates that the Velo coin truly is an oversold stage, as RSI actually generally is at 30 in an especially significant manner. The Velo United States dollar moving truly normal union and difference, MACD, marker especially fundamentally is demonstrating and in every practical sense, present moment, most certainly sell most certainly signal, as the MACD line certainly is moving underneath all things considered, signal line which certainly implies essentially bears all things considered, by and large are overwhelming in the market in an unobtrusive way, while Velo's Williams %R marker for the most part is at 95.932 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an oversold condition, and by and large transient pattern, especially inversion explicitly is conceivable. So Velo value investigation. Velo cost examination for 08 July 2023, inside a sort of everyday time span, basically made sense of beneath, or so they basically thought. Bulls can move the market in vertical course in an especially huge manner. Velo generally really is moving in descending course, as explicitly bears effectively basically explicitly take the coin beneath quick help level of $0.004, which truly is genuinely huge. Presently Velo ought to for the most part track down a help at $0.004, or, more than likely, the vendors could then focus on the critical help level put at $0.005. Pretty further appearance how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $236.78 following a value change of 0.44% inside a similar time span, which generally shows that 08 July 2023. In this video we will explicitly walk you through Velo cost examination for now, or for kind of genuinely 1 week from now, and fundamentally attempt to answer these regularly, for the most part sought clarification on some things, facts, what by and large is truly